Hello, I'm Amanda Stretton and I'm here with GKN at Shelsley Walsh, the world's oldest motorsport venue. And we're here to bring a little bit of a modern twist to this historic venue because we're going to be debuting the Jaguar Racing I-Type 2 in the UK for the first time.
Yeah, I'm excited. To be honest, I didn't know much about the hill climb until the project was sort of announced to me. I mean, it's a pretty unforgiving little climb, so I think taking the new generation of motorsport up, the world's oldest motorsport venue is going to be quite a cool thing to do. So yeah, it's a bit of an honour to do it.
But Mitch Evans, he comes through the tyre warming area, getting plume of smoke coming off the rear tyres. Everybody up, and he's on his way. And Mitch Evans leaves the line in 2.24 seconds as he goes into Calvin. Swerving away on the down surface. Really tight on the apex into getting in the bottom there. In the bottom there, heading into the middle of the road between the airfields. Over 105, and 102 at 31.58. And Mitch Evans has already got back down the bottom of the hill as he lines up the Panasonic Jaguar Fallen E-Car once more. 31.58. Yeah, but he's already a chance up on his old time into Kettlebell. Right point, he'll carry a bit more speed. There'll be a bit more systematic around the keep as well, accelerating 100 through the track. Yeah, that's all right. It's terrific. And keeping well to the left between the process for speed trap at the finish at a speed of 103, 30.46. A brand new record has been set here at Shelsley. History made by the New Zealander, Mitch Evans.
It was quite tricky to know what their grip level is going to be because it's been raining all morning. Yeah, happy to take the record. I would have loved to get into the sub 30 range, but great just to showcase this type of technology and the first UK appearance for the I-Type 2. So yeah, it's been a good day.
These are milestones which stand, the test of time, and with partners like GKN and with all our team at Panasonic Jaguar Racing coming together, whether it's a Formula E race or a day like today, it's a really nice thing to be able to leave and write something in the chapter of our motorsport history.